Train going fast. This is the inside view of the train. Table for the food and drinks. When in window side is 20. Coach Thank you for joining more people. Train goes fast. That's why we can't see that much. Avanti West Coast services from Euston to Birmingham New Street. Then we'll into Oslo station. Beautiful seat, nice, clean and tidy. That's the inside view of the train Avanti West Coast. It's a very beautiful train. Before COVID-19 it was Virgin train, the same train, they changed it to Avanti West Coast services. Thank you for joining more people. This is the overground service train we just saw. He's going Watford Junction. We are not stopping all of the station because of the fastest train. We skip lots of station. I think next stop is Milton Keynes and Coventry. I think 4 or 5 stop. You see how fast train is. Train came on time and depart on time as well. Departure time is accurate.